still vivid in my mind 4 years ago. Our paths crossed. Informal conversations, referrals, and coaching sessions with your editor-in-chief, Ma'am Lady Pailaga, and some of the PP staff did happen. But it was in Camiguin Island that we formally tied the bond of mentoring the good people of the Petronas Energy publication on the basics of journalism. Good thing is that we share the same belief so that along the way, you can produce quality publication that could be at par with your Malaysian counterpart. Yes, we did go through sessions of critiquing, and sometimes those burst through your individual beings. Maybe some of you were even slighted when I tend to be too harsh and not nurturing when I gave my critiques on your paper or on your article. But those were meant to raise the bar of publication right there in your company. To tell you, the passion for sharing my knowledge about journalism with others has never diminished over the years, knowing that you always make me part of your PP team every time you have gatherings, not to mention our Siquijor escapade. Truly, it was too fantastic and wonderful. I came to know each one of you, and it did encourage me to pursue every opportunity to grow with you in this particular undertaking. Certainly, the excitement of seeing your publication every time I will have a transaction at Ivory Printing Press continues to inspire me. And Sir Leo can attest to this. It was last year that I saw unprecedented progress in your publication. Your shift to colored magazine, the structure of your publication, the creative sidebars, the in-depth presentation of your articles, and other novelties that you did to your publication. These form part of my personal fulfillment. At the end of the day, I can exclaim that I have been successful in sharing my wisdom on journalism to your publication staff. As you celebrate the 5th anniversary of The Zeal, it gives me great pleasure to greet all of you for your zealousness to uphold quality publication attuned to international standards. Once again, congratulations to you and the entire staff for your dedicated and thoughtful work in reaching this milestone. Please accept my very best wishes for the continued success of The Zeal. Cheers!